The historic impeachment trial of suspended Attorney General Ken Paxton continues this morning in Austin. Yesterday, an extramarital affair with the employee of a donor was at the center of the testimony. One of Paxton's former assistant attorney generals, Jeff Mateer, testified. He was just one of several people that reported Paxton to the FBI. Paxton's attorneys accused Mateer of trying to stage a coup in the AG's office.
Governor Abbott says Texas will appeal a federal judge's order for the state to move the floating barriers in the Rio Grande. The judge also barred the state from putting more buoys in the river. Abbott has argued that the buoys are meant to deter migrants from crossing into the state from Mexico, but the Justice Department alleged that Texas violated the Rivers and Harbors Appropriation Act by building a structure in U.S. water without the permission of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers.
The urgent manhunt in Pennsylvania for a convicted killer is intensifying as authorities release shocking new video showing exactly how the suspect escaped from prison. Security footage shows him crab walking up prison walls to escape. Authorities are expanding the search area and adding more personnel to try and find the escapee.
The FDA is expected to approve the latest COVID-19 vaccine possibly early next week. It comes as confirmed cases of the virus are inching upward, and some health officials expect that trend to continue into the fall and winter. The CDC is also encouraging the country to get flu shots this fall.
Just days before the nation marks the 22nd anniversary of the 9/11 attacks, the legal battle to hold 5 suspects accountable is heating up. A potential plea deal has been rejected by President Biden. Their terms of the agreement call for the detainees to plead guilty in exchange for being spared the death penalty. Military prosecutors now trying to hash out a new plea deal for the 5 men held at Guantanamo Bay.
Your car may not be the sanctuary you think it is. A new report warns all that fancy technology in your vehicle means someone could be spying on you, tracking you, or worse, selling your personal information. Right now, there are no federal laws in place to protect consumers. A trade group representing automakers says it wants to protect the privacy of drivers and is calling for a federal privacy law.
145,000 Kia vehicles are being recalled because of a potentially serious safety hazard with the rear view camera. The recall covers the 2022-2023 Kia Sorento, the Sorento Hybrid, as well as the Sorento plug-in hybrid models. Kia dealers say they will inspect and replace the rear view cameras free of charge. The automaker will send notification to owners of affected vehicles in late October.
UPS delivery drones can now take off on longer flights. The FAA is allowing UPS and another company to fly beyond the site of ground operators monitoring the route. It clears the way for drone deliveries of small packages to more customers.
Changes could be coming to ads on YouTube. Reports say the site is considering longer ad breaks, but fewer of them on smart televisions. YouTube may also let viewers know the total length of an ad break, not just the time left for the ad. And that's today's 9 at 9.
Keep up to date with all of San Antonio's top news, weather, and so much more by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below. And once again, thanks for watching KSAT.